Welcome to a video on how to bin or sort data using StatCrunch. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to use cut points to sort quantitative data. Let's get started. Here are the steps needed to bin the data in StatCrunch using cut points. The first thing that you'd want to do is enter your data into a single column. I'm going to demonstrate the rest of these steps using a data set. This is an example data set on shark attacks that occur worldwide. Each one of these observational units or rows in the data table is one shark attack that's occurred. And I'm going to bin the variable age using cut points. And in this case, a cut point allows us to determine how we want to sort the data. And so I have all of these ages of victims of shark attacks. I want to know how many of the victims were under 25 and how many of the victims were 25 or over. So I'm only going to use one cut point. The cut point is going to be 25. Let's bin our data by going to the data menu and scrolling down to bin. Under select column, you want to choose one of the quantitative variables. In this case, I'm going to select age. When you define the bins, you can have StatCrunch do it for you automatically. You can define a fixed bin width. In this case, I'm going to use cut points. And I'm only going to use one cut point of 25. If I wanted to use multiple, I would just put a comma in and then put my next cut point. For bin edges, we're usually always going to include the left endpoint. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click Compute. You'll see that a new column, bin parenthesis age, has been added to the data table, and this represents which class each observational unit is in. So you can see this first class is empty, and that's because this first observational unit does not have an age recorded for the victim. So we're not sure what age this person was when they suffered this shark attack. Therefore, they're not going to be a member of any bin. The next one was 19 when they were attacked, and so they were in the category below 25. So you can see we only have two options here. Either they were younger than 25 or 25 or higher. And now this data has been binned with just the one cut point. If I wanted to make a frequency distribution table, I would go to the Stat menu, Tables, and then Frequency. And I would choose the new bin age variable that we just created. Click Compute, and our new frequency table should appear where now the data has been sorted by people that were below 25 when they were attacked or 25 or higher when they were attacked. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.